Gopika and this is Malvika, and we're from SpotLaw, a mobile app for legal awareness and legal research.
Okay, so there are certain laws that every woman in this country should be aware of, and that's what we're going to do today, bring them to your attention.
Okay, so we're going to start off with something that we see very, very commonly, but either choose to ignore it or brush aside, which is eve teasing. Now, what really comprises eve teasing? What is punishable and not punishable under law? Now, if you were to look at the relevant sections, which is 294 and 509 of the IPC, eve teasing essentially comprises of any word, gesture, act which is designed to insult the modesty of a woman. But what was brought about in this particular case, which is Shanta versus State of Kerala, is the critical element of intention. That is, there should have been an intention to insult the modesty of a woman and an intention to bring such word, gesture or act to the notice of the target.
Okay. Another thing that all of us know is that a woman cannot be arrested between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. But a lesser known aspect of this same law is that a woman cannot be searched or questioned if there is no lady constable of at least head constable rank present at that time. So you wouldn't even have to get out of your vehicle if there is no lady constable present.
Oh, okay, so what that means is that if you and your friends are driving and get stopped by a police late at night, it's not necessary for you to step out of the car if you're only exclusively girls, unless it's, of course, it's a grievous offense. Also, moving on to inheritance, Section 6 of the Hindu Succession Act has now been amended to say that anybody can inherit property regardless of gender. And on a similar note, now a woman can also be made katta.
So there's a lesser known law under 498A of the IPC, which is dowry harassment. On the similar lines as domestic violence, but slightly different, where it states that the husband or the husband's family or the family members or his parents cannot harass a woman for dowry related issues. However, in the recent past, women have been taking undue advantage of this law and filing frivolous cases in court. Like in the Bombay High Court recently, a woman filed a case under 498A of the IPC, and it was found that her allegations were false. Okay. The husband subsequently filed for divorce based on cruelty and mental harassment, and his divorce, he succeeded in getting this divorce.
Okay. So these are just a few things that we thought would be useful to you girls. Keep watching and we'll be bringing you more things.